Hello students, good morning everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine today. Dear students, today I will start the first class of standard 6 GK. So students, first we will discuss about GK. What is GK? Different names of GK and uh, should follow your textbook. So let's go to the topic now.
Start.
What is GK? GK means general knowledge. General knowledge is information that has been collected over time, various mediums. General knowledge is an essential component of hidden intelligence. Dear students, you know what is GK, or definition of GK, then different names of GK. First, such as information, experience, general awareness, understanding, sensitivity, consciousness, familiarity, omniscience, and proficiency, etc. So, dear students, you know different names of GK. Then come to topic. The topic is what is not in the name. Chapter 1. The first, dear students, can you see the pictures given here? Some animals, some birds, some reptiles given here. The first question is, the tufted titmouse is not a mouse but a dear students, here given the clue box, some names here: marsupial, bison, a bird, dolphin, lizard, fish, rodent, bat. So first question answer is the tufted titmouse is not a mouse but a bird. The answer is bird. So dear students, let's know about what is titmouse. What is titmouse? The tufted titmouse is a small songbird like cuckoo bird or nightingale. That songbird is a titmouse. From North America, a species in the tit and cicada family. You know about the tufted titmouse. Then the question is, the Komodo dragon is not a dragon but a, the students see the clue box, but a lizard. The answer is lizard. Why? Dragon is called Komodo dragon is not a dragon but a lizard. So what is Komodo dragon? Dear students, the Komodo dragon, also known as the Komodo monitor, is a species of lizard found in the Indonesian islands of Komodo, Rinca, Flores and Gili Motango. Next question is, the koala bear is not a bear but a fish. The answer is marsupial. Can you see, students, blue box here mention marsupial. Why marsupial? What is marsupial? What is koala bear? The koala bear is an arboreal herbivorous marsupial native to Australia. So it has seen Australia. So what is koala bear? You know about koala bear. Then the question is, the seahorse is not a horse but a given the clue box. See, students, the answer is fish. Here given a fish, so the answer is fish. What is seahorse? Your students, what is seahorse? Seahorse is the name given to 46 species of small marine fish in the genus Hippocampus. Hippocampus comes from the ancient Greek. So it is seashore. It is a bird. It is a fish. Next question. The American buffalo is not a buffalo but a. The answer is here. Clue box. Can you see, students? The answer is bison. Your students, you know about buffalo. Every students know about buffalo. Here the picture given below. That is this is buffalo. What is American buffalo? Your students, Bison, also called buffalo or bison, either of the two species of ox-like grazing mammals that constitute the genus Bison of the family, commonly known as the buffalo. As students, you know the definition of American buffalo. Then for the next question, the flying fox is not a fox but a can you see the clue box? The answer is inside the clue box. The answer is bat. Dear students, you know about the bats. Everybody knows about the bats. So dear students, the answer is bat. Uh, what is flying fox? The students, Peter fox is a genus of megabirds which are among the largest birds in the world. They are commonly known as fruit bats or flying foxes among other colloquial names. You know about flying fox. Then the question is, the prairie dog is not a dog but a, the answer is rodent. Dear students, here the answer given below, rodent inside the clue box. What is prairie dog? Prairie dog are herbivorous burrowing rodents native to the grasslands of North America. The 5 species are black-tailed, white-tailed, Gonisons, Utah, and Mexican prairie dogs. You know about the prairie dogs. Then the question is, the killer whale is not a whale but a, the answer is a dolphin. You know about the dolphin is a ocean fish, is a big large fish, that is dolphin. What is killer whale? So students, the orca or killer whale is a toothed whale belonging to the oceanic dolphin family, of which it is the largest member. Dear students, you know about the killer whale. So your answer, the questions now end. So you should follow your textbook, know about the GKs, about the question answers. So thank you. Stay safe, stay home, have a good day, best of luck, God bless you.